Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Is your Samsung phone displaying the Samsung logo and refusing to boot up properly? This problem has been reported by users after following software upgrades or the installation of third-party apps, as well as during charging or when the battery has depleted. Regardless of the cause, in this video I'm going to show you 5 ways to fix this problem. With that said, let's delve right into the video. Method 1. Charge the phone and perform a soft reset. The first method to fix Samsung phone stuck on the logo screen is to consider initiating a soft reset or force restart. Before proceeding with the soft reset, ensure your Samsung device has been charging for a minimum of 10 minutes. Once adequately charged, power on the phone. When it gets to the Samsung logo stuck screen, press and hold the power button and volume down button simultaneously to power off your device. Allow the phone to restart, and after a brief moment, observe if it successfully reaches the home screen. If it does, the soft reset likely resolved the issue. If not, proceed to explore the next troubleshooting solution. Method 2. Boot your Samsung into safe mode. As previously mentioned, issues with third-party apps could potentially lead to the Samsung logo sticking on the screen. To identify and address this issue, consider booting your Samsung phone into safe mode, which disables problematic third-party applications. If it's a specific app or combination of apps that is causing the boot screen problem, then your phone should successfully reach the home screen in safe mode. Follow these steps to initiate safe mode on your Samsung phone. Press and hold the power and volume down buttons simultaneously to power off your Samsung phone and restart it. As soon as the Samsung logo appears on the screen, press and hold the volume down button and release the power button. If successful, you should notice Safe Mode displayed in the lower left corner of the screen upon reboot. Next, uninstall the app that may be causing the issue and restart the phone. It's advisable to start with apps installed around the time your Samsung phone began getting stuck on the boot screen. Uninstall these recent apps and then restart your phone, and check if the problem is resolved. If not, proceed to the next troubleshooting step. By systematically uninstalling recently added apps, you can pinpoint the problematic one and potentially resolve the Samsung logo booting issue. Method 3. Wipe cache partition to fix phone stuck on Samsung logo. If your Samsung phone is consistently getting stuck on the Samsung logo, there's a high probability that the cache files are corrupted, leading to the device being stuck in a boot loop. To fix the issue, you can attempt to resolve it by initiating a cache partition wipe in recovery mode. Follow the steps below to carry out this process. Connect your Samsung phone to a powered-on laptop using the charging cable. As soon as it begins charging, simultaneously press and hold the volume up and power button. Release the power button when the Samsung logo appears, but continue holding the volume up button. Wait for the device to boot into recovery mode. Once in recovery mode, disconnect the charging cable. Use the volume down button to navigate down to the Wipe Cache Partition option, then use the power button to make the selection. Navigate to Yes using the volume down button and press the power button to confirm. Once the cache partition wipe is complete, select Reboot System Now. If this method does not resolve the issue, you may need to proceed with a factory reset. Method 4. Perform a factory reset to resolve Samsung stuck on logo issue. If you're unable to pinpoint the cause of the Samsung device being stuck on the logo screen and your phone fails to reboot in normal mode, this method provides a solution. Keep in mind that executing a factory reset through this approach will result in the loss of all stored data. Connect your Samsung phone to a powered-on laptop. Once charging begins, simultaneously press and hold the volume up and power buttons. Release the power button when the Samsung logo appears, but continue holding the volume up button until the device enters recovery mode. Use the volume buttons to navigate through the options and select Wipe Data/Factory Reset using the power button. Press the volume down key to highlight Factory Data Reset and press the power button to confirm. Once the factory reset is complete, select the Reboot System Now option using the power button. Wait for the device to reboot. The issue of the Samsung phone being stuck on the logo should be resolved, and the phone should function normally after the setup process. Method 5. Update Samsung firmware. If the previously mentioned solutions prove ineffective, the subsequent course of action involves updating your Samsung firmware. To proceed with this, download the Smart Samsung Switch application from the official Samsung website. A download link is provided in the description below. After downloading and installing the software, launch it and connect your Samsung phone. Click on the three-dot icon, choose Emergency Software Recovery and Initialization, and when the window appears, click on Device Initialization. Keep in mind that this process will erase all data on your Samsung device. After confirming, click on Skip to initiate the update. Once the update is complete, your phone should be restored to normal functionality. That's a quick solution for resolving a Samsung phone stuck on the logo glitch during startup. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share. Don't miss out on more content by turning on the bell notification for future updates. Catch you in the next video.